Hi friends, I brought another scale in for repair. You can see the full name on the screen. The buttons aren't working, some are completely stuck, and the buttons are broken and the display is invisible. I want to try to restore the display panel with a 3D printer. Everything inside is dirty. I can't figure out how they even work. I found another problem. The weighing mechanism is torn off. All 4 screws are torn off, and it doesn't hold on at all. I solved that problem, and now the weighing mechanism is firmly in place. I screwed in longer screws and glued the housing. Now I can move on to the buttons. I replaced the buttons. I'll leave links to them below the video. This is what they look like now. Now I need to install the board in the case. Another scale has been repaired. It's done. Everything works perfectly, and these buttons will never break again. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Bye.